Hey, what's going on? I just wanted to make a quick video of me unboxing my brand new Canon C50 that I ordered over a month ago from B&H, and it finally arrived just in time for my vacation. So let's do this. I don't know why I thought that the box would be like the Canon R5 Mark II, black, full of colors. But I guess this is just the box of the cinema line. Without further ado, let's get to opening the box. Since I saw it online, I knew I had to get it. The first thing that's in the box is the manual and the warranty card. I know nobody reads that anyways. Oh, there she is. The Canon C50. Look at that beauty. It is very big. Well, compared to the Canon R5 Mark II, it is chunky. She is big. Let's see what else is in the box. Wow, she is a beauty. In the box, in Canon fashion, this is the LCE6 battery charger. I guess every Canon camera comes with this charger. What else is in here? Okay, this is the new LPE6P battery. I have a few of these because of my R5 Mark II. Let's see what else is in the box. Canon strap that I'll probably never use. What else is in here? Let me put this box down. Let's see what's in this box. Oh, this is the top handle, I'm sure. Yep, the top handle feels very rugged. It's good. Feels very nice. Record button, the zoom rocker. This side is for the audio input, and come to the other side, you have two full-size XDR inputs also. Yeah, this is a very nice top handle. I can't wait to use this. What else is in the box? These are some extra screws of some sort. I don't know what that's for yet. We'll put that right back. And this is the mic holder. It is plastic, but it feels very good. I guess the mic goes in here. This opens up when you turn the knob. And there's a rubber for the mic so you can hold it. And you put that down. Let me see what the camera looks like with the top handle on. So you just put it in like so, and you screw on the knobs over here next to it. And this is it, the Canon C50 with a top handle. Just in time for my vacation. I can't wait to use this. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I am gonna be testing this in like 85-degree weather. Yeah, I know there's a built-in fan in here, so I don't think there's gonna be overheating issues. Wow, this has a lot of buttons. This is very different from my Canon R5 Mark II. Hold on, let me actually get my camera and compare the size real quick. That's probably the last thing I'll do for this video. Hold on. And this is my R5 and the C50 right next to each other. They kind of look like it's the same size. And then let's put it on top of here. Yeah, the C50 is not much bigger than the R5 Mark II. Let's see on the side. I don't know if you can tell, but the C50 is slightly wider on this side where the handle is. And let me turn around to the other side. Oh yeah, you could definitely tell Canon C50 is a lot wider than the R5 Mark II. I don't know much about this camera, and hopefully this motivates me to make a lot more videos. That's the reason why I bought this. But like I said, if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'll be using this rigorously on this vacation for the next week. I don't know much about this camera at all. Let me open up these ports. Over here is the mic input and the headphone jack. Let me open up this side here. Over here is a USB-C input. Over here is the full-size HDMI, and I think this is for remote. I actually don't know what that is, but I'll learn. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you have any questions, again, hit me up in the comments below. And until next time, peace.